Welcome! Today we're diving into how to add a new account on Snapchat with the latest updates. If you're looking to switch things up or create a separate account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, make sure you have the Snapchat app installed on your Android phone. Once you're ready, open the app. You'll be greeted by your camera screen. To start the process of adding a new account, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings. Next, look for the gear icon, which represents the settings. Tap on that to access all the options available for your account. Now scroll down until you reach the bottom of the settings menu. Here, you'll find the option that says Log Out. Tap on this to log out of your current account. Once you've logged out, you'll see the welcome screen again. This is where the fun begins. To create a new account, simply tap on the Sign Up button. Snapchat will guide you through the setup process, making it easy to get started. You'll first need to enter your name and birthday. Make sure the birthday you enter is accurate, as it helps Snapchat tailor your experience. Next, you'll create a username and password. Choose a username that reflects your personality or interests, but remember, it has to be unique. After setting your username and password, the next step is to verify your phone number or email address. This is an important step for account security and recovery, so make sure you enter valid information. Once you've completed this verification, you're all set. Congratulations. You now have a new Snapchat account. You can start adding friends, sharing snaps, and exploring everything this vibrant platform has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks.